Hey y'all, get ready for the holidays with the easiest, tastiest cranberry sauce recipe ever. We're ditching the canned stuff and making something special from scratch. Trust me, it's so much better this way. You got this. This recipe is perfect for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any time you want a taste of homemade goodness. It's tart, sweet, and oh so festive. Let's get cooking. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make cranberry sauce from scratch. No more mysterious ingredients or that weird canned taste. Just pure, fresh cranberry deliciousness. This recipe is so simple, you won't believe you haven't tried it before. Plus, it makes your house smell amazing. Ready to impress your family and friends? Let's gather our ingredients. This is the first step to creating something truly delicious and memorable. Don't worry, you probably already have most of this stuff in your pantry. It's all about using what you have on hand to make something special. 1 12-ounce bag of fresh cranberries, about 3 cups. These little berries are the star of our show, bringing a tart and tangy flavor. 1 cup granulated sugar. You can use less if you prefer it less sweet. The sugar balances the tartness of the cranberries perfectly. 1/2 cup of water. This will help our cranberries cook down into a lovely sauce. 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, optional, but adds a nice warmth. Cinnamon gives a cozy, comforting touch to our dish. And a pinch of salt. See? Nothing too crazy. The salt enhances all the other flavors, making everything pop. Now let's turn these simple ingredients into cranberry magic. Watch as they transform into a beautiful, flavorful sauce that will impress everyone. Section 4. Cranberry sauce, cooking time. Easy as pie. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of homemade cranberry sauce. Trust me, it's simpler than you think, and the results are absolutely worth it. All right, let's get this cranberry party started. Gather all your ingredients, and let's make some magic happen in the kitchen. First things first, give those cranberries a good rinse. Make sure to pick out any stragglers that don't look so hot. You want only the best for your sauce. Now, grab a saucepan. I like to use a medium-sized one because it gives the cranberries enough room to cook evenly. Toss in your cranberries, sugar, and water. Don't forget the cinnamon. Whether you prefer a stick or ground cinnamon, it adds a wonderful warmth to the sauce. And of course, that pinch of salt. It might seem small, but it really balances out the flavors. Turn the heat to medium and bring the mixture to a boil. This is where the magic starts to happen. You'll see those cranberries start to pop and get nice and juicy. It's like a little cranberry fireworks show in your kitchen. Once it's boiling, turn the heat down to low and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure to stir occasionally to prevent sticking and to help the cranberries break down. You'll know it's ready when the cranberries have broken down and the sauce has thickened up a bit. The aroma will be irresistible. And that's it. You just made homemade cranberry sauce. It's perfect for your holiday table, or anytime you want a burst of tart, sweet flavor. Told you it was easy peasy. Enjoy your delicious creation and impress your friends and family with your culinary skills. Section 5. Serving up your cranberry masterpiece. Now that your cranberry sauce is ready to roll, let's talk about how to serve this beauty. This sauce is versatile and can be enjoyed in many different ways, making it a delightful addition to any meal. You can serve it warm, right out of the pot, which is perfect for those who love a cozy, comforting touch to their dishes. Or let it cool to room temperature, which allows the flavors to meld and develop even more. Personally, I love it both ways. The warm version is great for immediate serving, while the cooled version is perfect for make-ahead meals. If you're making it ahead of time, just store it in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week. This way, you can have it ready to go whenever you need it. It's great for leftovers too. Spread it on a turkey sandwich, mix it into a salad, or even use it as a glaze for meats. This cranberry sauce is the perfect sidekick to your Thanksgiving turkey, roasted chicken, or any holiday feast. It adds a burst of flavor and a touch of elegance to your table, or even a dollop on top of your morning yogurt or pancakes. Get creative and enjoy. The possibilities are endless with this versatile sauce. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, your cranberry masterpiece will shine. Section 6. Spread the cranberry love. Well, there you have it. You're officially a cranberry sauce making superstar. Now go on and impress everyone with your homemade goodness. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and down-home cooking tips. And be sure to share this recipe with your friends and family. Everyone deserves a taste of homemade cranberry sauce. Happy cooking, y'all!